What's up, guys? It's Isaac. Today I am picking another vehicle to get rid of, and this is a twofer now, and I'm going to pick out my Hot Rod Power Tour vehicle. So if y'all don't know what the Hot Rod Power Tour is, now this is going to be for the Hot Rod Power Tour 2020. The Hot Rod Power Tour is basically a rolling car show, and we go from city to city, town to town, state to state, whatever, and meet up places and stay the night and, you know, just kind of have a good time. So I'm picking out my vehicle. I have, of course, you know, a vast variety of vehicles I can pick from. Well, today I'm going to pick it, and I've got an idea, but I'm just going to kind of look over things. So that's what I'm doing. So guys, here it is. K5 Blazer. I'm not even sure what year it is exactly. Still don't know what year it is. But as you can see, the floorboards are shot. I mean, it's bad. It's so bad. I don't remember this side glass being missing. I think someone took out this side glass. In fact, I'm pretty sure of it. Can't leave anything hanging around. Can't leave anything hanging around without someone messing with it. It's got the manual crank window, which I believe the glass is busted out of it. Split. Okay, this is fuel injection, so it is probably a 87 or possibly an 88. The hood on it looks pretty good. Front bumper's gone. The front fender's bent. It's got a pretty decent door on it. Oh, it's got some rust pitting, and they painted over. So let's go to the Power Tour car. So I had to pull my Nova out to get to the car. I don't know if y'all remember this car, but this was on the Hot Rod Power Tour in 2019. Had a fantastic time. I love this car. So let's get down to the next Power Tour car. And I gotta dig it out, guys. Here it is. This is a 1968 Chevy Biscayne. Two-door, it's a post car. 3-speed on the column. 250 inline 6 under the hood. So here's my thought. Just a thought now. Let me know what y'all think. You know, it'd be real easy to put a small block or big block Chevy under the hood. But what if I keep it a 6-cylinder? What if I were to turbocharge that 6-cylinder? What do y'all think of that? So I'm thinking about changing it from a 3-speed on the column to a 5-speed. I think that would be pretty cool. I mean, the car's not like pristine at all. I've got holes around the windshield. The windshield leaks like crazy because it's not the windshield, it's the It's the metal around it. So I've got a lot of repair I've got to do to this car. But it's not too bad on this side. The other side, the car's been sideswiped. So the quarter panel and the door is damaged on the car. But it'd make a cool ride, I think. So I guess I got to dig this thing out. All right. So let's see if we can get this car out of the hole. Did a pretty good job cleaning it out. Now I just need to get it out. I knew it was a wide car, but dang, it'll be fine. So I guess that's it for this video, guys. You see my new power tour car. I don't know exactly what my plans are going to be. I'm thinking keeping the 6-cylinder and turbocharging it, or I can take the easy route and put a V8 in it and a 5-speed transmission and call it a day. So what do y'all think I ought to do? 6-cylinder turbo or V8? Leave a comment, let me know, guys, and I'll catch y'all later.